So, hello, welcome in my next video. Recently I decided that I will upgrade the wheels on my road bike Giant Defy. I would like to have some lighter and carbon option, so I went for carbon rim, buy it from China, from Tokyowheel, and I want to build the wheels by myself because I'm already building the wheels for my mountain bike. So I would like to go through the parts I bought for my build and speak a little bit about the reasons why I did that. I will start with the rims. Maybe you will be most interested in those. So they come with foil, packaging foil like this. So I went for 50mm front and 60mm rear wheel option. They look really nice. I don't see any problems on them. The customer service of Tokyowheel was very good. Actually, you cannot buy 50-60 wheel rim set, only 50mm or 260mm rims, but I brought them. The response was pretty fast, so this is the result: 50mm, the 60mm one. I hope you can see it correct. So happy with customer service. The shipping was a lot longer than it should be. They said that it should be around 20 days, was like 2 months. So if you plan to buy wheels or rims from China, you should expect that. As I told, the quality is good. There is one glitch I actually found. This spot here, it looks like it's missing a little bit of color. Maybe it happened in the shipping process. Nothing very important, but it's there. Pretty happy about those. Not happy about the shipping. The cost was less than 400 euros for the sets with the shipping, so pretty nice. One more thing I'm not happy about is the rims should weigh 490 front, so 50mm should weigh 490, 60mm should weigh 540, and actually it's a lot more than that, so 540, so 50 grams more than it should. And the same is with the rear wheel, it's 610, so 60 grams more than it should. So the rims together are 100 grams heavier than it should, so I'm not very happy with that. I can live with that, but you know, 100 grams more. So these are the rims. Looks solid. I'm happy about those. I want to set up them as tubeless. This is the profile. I'm not sure if you can see anything, but it's tubeless compatible. Profile looks good for a tubeless setup, so no problem with that. So these are the rims. The rims came with the, should not, it wasn't written in the order, but it came with the rim tape, but it's not tubeless, so I cannot use that. Also came with the cassette spacer and the valve extensions. Valve extensions are not threaded, so I cannot use them in tubeless setup, so I bought the Schwalbe ones, 30mm long. Pretty nice skewers. They are very light, 41 grams together. Titanium. These parts are from carbon, so didn't expect that, but nice. I will use them. The hubs I will use Hope RS4. So this is the rear one. The build is very nice, quick releases, but you can easily change those to the any other mounting option. I didn't told you that I went for 24 hole front and rear. So the hub, Hope RS4 weighs around 279 grams for a quick release option. I went for a centrelock because it looks like it's a little bit standard for the road bikes, so centrelock there, but I am using international standard rotors now, so I also bought these adapters, more on them later. So that was the weight of the rear hub. This is front hub. Yeah, build quality, what do you want to expect from Hope? Very nice, happy with those. So the weight of the front hub is 142 grams. So together it ups to 422 grams for a hubs. So these adapters. So I just wanted to be sure that in the future, if there will be any good centrelock options, I will be able to use them. So I really want to use my current rotors now because I'm happy with that. So this is the adapter together with the bolts. It weighs 56 grams, a little more than I expected. So the rotors have around 100 grams, so together 150 grams for the full rotor with adapter. I think it's a little bit heavier than the original centrelock rotor. Spokes went for Sapim CX Rays. They are 2 millimeters in the end, 2.3 millimeters in the middle, and the aero option, so 0.9 millimeter by 2.3 millimeters in the middle, so should be good. I have 3 different lengths because you need different length for different parts. Together it sums the spokes up to 222 grams, but I have 3 or 4 spare spokes there, so should be a little bit lower. It's like around 4 grams or 5 grams for one spoke, so the valves weight 15 grams. I would like to use brass nipples. I really think it's more heavy duty than the aluminum one. I had a little bit of problems with aluminum ones on my mounting bikes, so I'm building my wheels with the brass nipples always. I have some spare ones there, and also the weight of the bags. The tires, really happy with the Schwalbe Pro Ones. I'm currently using them on my Defy. On the rear tire, I'm pretty sure it's like 12,000 kilometers right now, and it's still going strong. So yeah, it's at the end of the lifetime, but still good. So yeah, 12,000 kilometers for me on the Schwalbe Pro One tire. So very happy with that. So I have two of them from rear and front. 270 grams for the one tire, so together 540 grams for the tires. So that's pretty much it. A recapitulation: Tokyowheel Chinese carbon rims, 50 mm deep front, 60 mm rear, Hope RS4 hubs, 24 spokes, hubs, the centrelock with the adapter and classic rotors, Sapim CX Ray spokes, brass nipples, they are like DT Swiss, Schwalbe Pro One tires, and stance tubeless sealant. That's pretty much it. I will make another video when I will build the wheels. So take care and thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Cheers!